Hey guys, how's it going? How long were you there for? I can't really read. Anyways, so welcome back. I didn't expect to do a review unboxing again, but I found something completely random at my local store called Meijer. Now the story started out with a piece of cheese. Well, a pack of cheese. I needed to get some cheese for dinner. And I went to Meijer. I said, why the hell not? Let's check the toy aisle, see what they got for new dinosaurs. Nothing. I mean, there's a couple of those green Albertosauruses. Albertosaur? I don't know. Anyways, I was like, nah, I'm not interested in those. I mean, they're cool, but I'm not interested in those and whatnot. But then I saw this. Completely random. I didn't know this was, I mean, I saw these before, but you can buy them individually apparently at certain Targets, which I've never seen at my Target. But and some of you don't know what Meijer is. Meijer is like a store around Michigan. I'm sure a few other states have it, but I'm not sure. It could be. I think it's called Fred Meyer in some places. I'm not too sure, but just I'm sure you'll be able to find these if you look up the name. But this is the Jurassic World Camp Cretaceous Captivz. Now they're 3 eggs individually, and there's some dinosaurs inside, as you can see. You open it, there's some slime, put a dinosaur together, and, well, they battle, apparently. They might have some kind of card or whatnot, but this is completely unexpected. I didn't expect to see this at Meijer. This is kind of cool. I'm not a big, like, slime person, like, well, when I was a kid, maybe, but not really my thing. But, I mean, I guess slime, ooze, dinosaur, embryo, cool. that can work. But, yeah, I thought this was pretty interesting. I'm going to have some shots of, you know, here you go, here's the back for you. Focus. But I'm going to readjust the camera, point at the review TV folding table because I don't have a review table yet. This is kind of make do, but I'm going to adjust the camera so you can see when I open this and see what's all inside. So give me 1 second, I'll be right back, okay? Okay, and we're back. I have a tray that I put some tinfoil on so the slime can go there and I can clean it up later. It wouldn't be that hard, but hell yeah, here it is. The Jurassic World Camp Cretaceous Captivz 3 egg pack. Now this ran me like $11, 12 bucks rounding up, whatever, but it says collect 15 dinosaurs. There's some glow-in-the-dark ones right there. I'm not gonna probably collect all of them because obviously it was like 12 bucks to buy this pack, but sort of the moment, why the hell not? I love it now, so I always love the Camp Cretaceous logo with the wood. That's pretty cool. I'm gonna kind of see if I can get that made for me, hang in the room somewhere or something like that. But tell you should get on this. You should make signs for people. It'd be pretty cool. Make this, sell it by itself. I'd buy one of them. All right, so let's open this with a sharp utensil and try to hurt myself. There's one piece of tape. Let's see what's in here. So it's gonna take me a second to get this open. Okay. Whew. Okay. Alright. Oh, the tray slides right out. That's pretty cool. So you can probably put it back. I mean, once you open these, you won't have these little designs no more. I'm pretty sure this will all be thrown away, but you can keep the package. Oh, it's got like a nice like honeycomb design on the inside. That's kind of cool. So at least the box can be saved for display purposes. Let's open up. Well, let's do all 3. Which one? Which one do you want? You want this one, this one, or this one? Which one? It's my video. I'm doing this one. Let's open up this one to see what's inside of it. Now the egg itself, pretty cool. This is Camp Cretaceous, obviously Captivz, all that fun stuff. Spin around, get some facts. You know, as Dano Channel says, you know, 0 to 3 side onions, according to Dano Channel. Which, watch him, by the way, does some really great Star Wars content. Directions, you open up, obviously, blah, 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 blah. Dinosaur, this Carnotaurus. I hope we get a Carnotaurus. Let's see if I can get this open. Peel here. Yeah. Tell me what to do. Peel here. Ugh. Okay, now I got it open. Okay, that's kind of cool. So this is your egg, but then this is really your egg. So it's not, they tricked you. It's green. Really green. Oh, there's little areas tell you where to peel. So I guess just peel from there. Or however you want to open this. You want to open like a savage, open like a savage. You don't want to open it, be a collector and keep it, keep it. Yeah, let's get that the hell out of the way. Ooh, it's got some nice texture to it. Like, I think if you want to repaint it to look like an actual egg, you probably could. Not bad texture. Nice, easy display purposes. Now compared to like another egg, see if I can, hold on, without knocking stuff over. My only other hatchling egg, I want to say I had this from JP3. Way back when KB Toys was around. Everybody remember KB Toys? Yeah. And why not? Here's the McDonald's Camp Cretaceous egg hatchling. So, there's some egg comparisons. No, don't get scrambled up now. Lame jokes to keep this thing rolling. You can laugh at me in the comments. Alright, let's crack it open. And yes, that was intentional. Okay, get up. Well, looks like I already opened up in the box. Oh, wait a minute. Oh, that's cool. Okay, so the slime is separate. At least in this one it is. The slime is separate. And the dinosaurs in this package, you only got to fight for the ooze. That's kind of cool. That way, if you don't want to fight with the slime, it's already there. I might put this in a bag and put it in the egg. That way it doesn't like hard up. Yeah, it's all, ugh. I like how they give like the amber color. Hear that sound? Yeah. Okay, enough messing with the slime now. Oh god, get off my thumb! Okay. Now you have Ivan Ooze from Power Rangers. Oh no! Okay, let's put the egg there. Let's see what dinosaur. Oh, it's the texture of the bag and the slime together just makes it really unsettling. Oh, alright. Okay, let's get this. Come on. We got 2 more to open up. We didn't even open up this one yet. Alright, a little tear there. You just. Nope. Maybe not. Oh, there we go. Get the slime off my finger. Sorry, this is taking a little bit. Anyways. Oh, well. Got a T-Rex. I can see right now. Perfect. One of my favorite dinosaurs, actually. Actually, it's my most favorite dinosaur, but it varies depending on the species. Oh, cool. You get a little card. I'm gonna see it says T-Rex. It looks to be a green T-Rex, too. So T-Rex, come on, focus again. T-Rex. And it tells you the aggression. So these are kind of like the cards that were on the back, that were on the early Dino Rivals packaging. And it gives you a card and what the dinosaur's capable of. Oh, yeah, little checklist. Well, instructions again. It gives you a battle game guide. That's kind of cool. And then here's the little checklist. Here's the whole thing. I got a glow in the dark one. That'd be pretty cool. Glow in the dark's always a fun thing to get. Here's a checklist here and there. I'm liking how the Stegosaurus looks. Interesting. You got Bumpy and everybody, and oh, even Echo. It's cool. You know, just get blue and oh, it's Charlie. All right, not bad. Not bad options you get here. Obviously, we got the T-Rex. We can check that off. So, yeah, you can potentially get all 4 raptors. That's kind of cool. Maybe we'll get one of these. No, rare number 4. Oh, so these are. So this is the rare. This is the rare set right here. And I have a T-Rex, so I got one of the rare ones. And then here's the common. So it's, you figured they would make that the rare one, but that's okay. Anyways, whoa, can't breathe. Obviously, let's put the T-Rex together. So this weird metallic emblem on its front. I'm not sure what that's supposed to be. Not sure what that's supposed to be. Maybe, I don't know. Oh, if I tilt it, focus. It's tiny. It's okay. It's very tiny. It's the Jurassic logo. It's the skeleton T-Rex. Kind of weird on the neck, kind of like a chain necklace, I guess. I don't know. Could have put that on the foot. Would have been better, but I'm not gonna really complain. All right, we'll put the T-Rex together. I'm assuming it only goes one way. Yeah. Wow. Hell yeah. Hell of a good sculpt. Not a bad sculpt at all. I kind of like the texture. It's like this greenish, like dark green. Almost kind of like a Lost World Bull T-Rex. It's kind of cool. Love it, love it. Alright, so we got the T-Rex. Let's put the put it there so you can see. Let's get that out of the way. I'm gonna just cover up this egg somehow with this goop slime in it. Okay, so there's egg number 1 down. Let's get egg number 2. Leave the middle one for last, because why not? And yes, you're gonna watch the whole process of me unwrapping everyone, because why not? It's just a fun experience. I have to enjoy it. You're going to enjoy it. Plus, it makes decent content for the video. Or I might not, or I could just talk to myself, and I could just cut away when everything opens up. Could do that. Alright. That out. Oh. So there's some like dye in this egg. Maybe the slime oozed out of this one too. Alright. Alright. Pop it open. Wait. There we go. Make sure it's nice and ready. And more goop. Okay, the slime seems to be the same color in every one. That's fine by me, because hey, it probably says it feels a little smaller than the other one, so we're not sure what dinosaur this is. So first we got T-Rex. Now let's see what we got in this one, if I can. Hold on, folks. I have a knife. Make sure that it's not cut. Oh, T-Rex fell over. That's fine. Okay, who do we got this time? Oh, we got the Baryonyx. Looks like Grim. That's cool. Alright. Same thing. It's a card. Baryonyx. It tells you the back. Same thing with the leaflet. Throw that over there. Put him together. Oh no, this is cool. Now this rivals the minis. This is pretty cool. This is really well detailed. Wow. I like it. Still has the metal dot on his chest, but at least this one's hidden. You can't see it. That's really cool. Alright. And one more egg. Alright, so far I got 2 carnivores. Let's see if I get a herbivore. Would be nice. Okay, now I'm probably gonna cut away for this to be open. Okay, got it open. I took a peek at what it is, and well, it's all carnivores. No big deal. I like carnivores, but dropped a little card. We got yeah, we got Echo. Echo! Ha ha ha! You're so funny, Mike. So let's get the head on. Oh, this one's a little bit tough. Well, pop her on. There we go. No. Come. All right. So it's on as best I can get it. And the tail. Sorry about this. This one, for some reason, is tougher than the other 2 guys. They just pop right on just fine. This one's giving me some trouble. I don't know why. Okay, alright. That's as best as I'm going to get the tail on. So there is Echo. Pretty sweet, good sculpt. Alright. I'm going to get some, the other minis. The ones, you know, obviously the blind bags. I can get them and compare them with these. So give me a moment. And I'll be right back with those. Okay, back. Here's what we have with the ones from the Captivz bags and the ones from the blind bags. So let's compare with what I got last to first. So I'll pick up, got the metallic orange Velociraptor from the Mattel blind bags that we've been getting compared to this. Now this is a lot more detail, a little more like a better stance, jaw open. You know, around the same size. You could probably put them together in a pack. Obviously Echo's a little bit darker rather than this one, but they both have stripes on and everything, and about the same size, honestly. So there's that. Baryonyx is a slight different with height change. So here's the green blind bag one with the Captivz Grim. Obviously size differences here. At least this one can open its jaw as well, so not bad. I really like this a lot. This is a really, really good Baryonyx. And then last but not least, the Green Bull T-Rex Mini. That's what I'm calling it. Open the jaw. And then the new T-Rex Captivz. A lot more detail and sculpt went into these guys. I mean, these are still pretty damn good, not gonna lie, but I mean, these could also work as well as a pair. If you paint them both similar colors, they probably could get away with being in the same pack or siblings or something, but not bad overall, not bad. I'll show some close-up shots right now, probably as you're listening to me ramble on and on and on. Just some close shots of each individual dinosaur next to its other blind bag counterpart, but overall, these are pretty good. Yeah, not bad. Okay, let me cut back to my original seating and end the video there, so I'll be right back, guys. Okay, and we're back seeing my mug. So overall, I thought this was pretty cool. Pretty random surprise too that I found at Meijer. Didn't expect these. I like the packaging. The minis are pretty cool. They're really well damn detailed. And bonus fact, if you want to get them but hesitate, if you want to just buy it, display it like most collectors do, or buy it, open it and display it, it has that ability where you can put it back together. I mean, obviously once you break the seal, it's no longer valuable, but depends on what kind of collector you are. I mean, not picky on certain things, but bonus, they look really good back in the packaging with just being the green eggs. Nothing wrong with that. They look really cool. You can put them right back on the shelf, and if you want to keep the eggs in here, dinosaurs out of the eggs, and put them on top of the box, you display them that way, or however you want. But yeah, doesn't look too bad overall. Now, I obviously didn't get a herbivore, but that's totally fine. I got carnivores. Honestly, mostly, you have, let's see, 1, 2, you just have 3 herbivore chances. You have a Stegosaurus, Bumpy, and Sinoceratops. The rest are all carnivores. So I got no glow-in-the-dark ones, which is fine. No big deal. But I got Echo, so that was pretty cool. One of the, I believe this was on the rare set. Actually, I think they were all on the rare set. Where's one of the packets? Oh goodness. Oh, okay, so yeah, Barry was rare, T-Rex is rare, and Echo was common, so no big deal. But yeah, overall, not bad, pretty cool set. So go to your local store, go to Meijer, go wherever you think they might sell these. Look for this, pretty cool packaging. Like I said, I like it. Easy display piece as well. Again, no glow-in-the-dark dino, totally fine. Oh, and I didn't read the description of the name. It says Pop and Lock Dinosaurs and Slime. And that like an early 2000s pop punk song right there. That's pretty cool. So hope you enjoy this. It's a random review. I don't do these often. I might do them some more here and there. If you like them, let me know. So alright, I'm gonna go back to my book, and you guys be excellent to each other. And I'm gonna keep reading and figure out how to read. So take care, guys. Be excellent to each other.